ever seen a car that looks better than your grandpa did in his youth? Meet the Mercedes-Benz 200D. Today I'm showing you not just a car, but a piece of automotive history. We'll check out what makes this Mercedes special and why it still turns head today. Here it is, the legend of the 80s. The Mercedes-Benz 200D is not just a car, it's a symbol of reliability and style from its era. The 1985 model features classic design with sharp lines, chrome details, and big headlights. This 2.0-liter diesel engine isn't the fastest, but it's super economical and durable. Don't expect it to drive like a sports car, but there is a certain magic in this simplicity. The interior feels like a good old gentleman's movie. Wood, chrome, fabric seats, no touch screens here, but there is the real spirit of the 80s. Sure, no multimedia system, but it's all about that classic vibe that doesn't need gadgets. Under the hood is a 2-liter diesel engine. It won't impress with power, about 55 horsepower, but fuel efficiency is definitely a plus. Here is a life hack. To keep your diesel engine running longer, regularly check the fuel filter and use special injector cleaning additives. This will help you avoid costly repairs. Another useful tip: how to bring back the shine to your headlights. Over the years, that plastic can yellow. Use a polishing product and your car will shine like new again. Simple and effective, just like in life. Driving this Mercedes feels like stepping back in time. No quick bursts of speed, but you feel stability and reliability. The suspension is soft, the ride smooth, and the diesel engine sound adds a unique charm. And the smell inside, that classic retro vibe. So, the 1985 Mercedes-Benz 200D is a classic that proves quality can outlast decades. It's not a car for speed, but for those who appreciate style and reliability in every detail. Thanks for watching this review. Remember, true beauty sometimes hides in simplicity and durability. Sometimes it's worth slowing down and enjoying the classics in life, just like on the road. Take care, bye-bye!